Welcome to Easy Steps Cooking. Today I will show how I prepare this pancake with hazelnut cream. Let's go to check the ingredients. So this recipe is very easy. We need to prepare all the ingredients first, because next we will mix everything very good: the milk, the vanilla essence, the sugar, the pinch of salt, the egg, and now I will mix everything very well, and the tablespoon of butter, I put it 20 seconds in the microwave. Okay, and now I'm going to put the sifted flour in 2 or 3 different times. When we have the mixture ready, we will put the pan on the fire with a little butter, and we put a little of the mixture in the pan like this. We will cook like for 1 or 2 minutes for one side, and then in the other side we need a color like this. And we can have with these ingredients like 18 or 20 pancakes. Now we will have this hazelnut cream. We are going to assemble the pancake. One pancake, hazelnut cream, and then another layer, and like this until we have 8 or 10 pancakes. And when it's ready, I will use to decorate honey and a strawberry that I will cut like this, a little bit of honey on top, and it's ready to enjoy this delicious pancake with hazelnut cream, honey and strawberry. So if you like this recipe, please thumbs up, subscribe, comment and share. Thank you, and see you next video.